welcome to your new home. I'm Haley.
And I'm Cody.
And we are Home Bar Network. We are a local Atlanta company that teaches cocktail classes, and we have specially curated this old-fashioned kit to welcome you into your new kitchen and teach you how to make the most perfect, most delicious old-fashioned.
That's right, you guys. So if you want to get started, we're gonna go ahead and make this cocktail right now. You're gonna reach into your kit and you're gonna grab a rocks glass. Or if you're doing this for two people, you're gonna grab 2 rocks glasses out.
Yes.
What we're gonna do is also reach in and grab our peeler and our orange. We're gonna take a nice swath of orange peel with our peeler. Be careful, watch your knuckles. These are very sharp.
These things are sharp.
We're gonna drop our orange peel right into our rocks glass. Then we're gonna reach in and grab a sugar cube out, and we're gonna drop our sugar cube right in on top of the orange peel. And we're using a molasses heavy, unrefined sugar cube because it stands up to the whiskey better. It's gonna be totally delicious. Now that we've got our sugar cube and our orange peel in our glass, we're gonna grab our bitters, and we're gonna do 3 to 5 dashes of bitters on top of our sugar cube. And your goal here is you just want to saturate the cube so that it's going to be easy for you to muddle and kind of combine into the orange peel. So what we're going to do is grab our muddler, and you guys are going to have a little unfinished muddler right here. That's really important. You want it to be unfinished so that no varnish gets into your cocktail. So we're going to start muddling our sugar cube. It's going to be a nice satisfying crunch when you go in there. And you don't really want to pulverize or tear the peel. You're just pressing these ingredients together to try and combine the flavors. So once you've muddled all your ingredients in your rocks glass, you're gonna reach into the freezer, and hopefully you've already got some of your ice molds in there, freezing your ice spheres. So we're gonna reach in and we're gonna grab a nice chunk of ice.
And if you haven't done that already, no worries. You can grab whatever ice you have.
Here's one that we have. We're gonna drop it right in on top of our orange peel and our sugar and our bitters. And we're gonna take a jigger. The jigger is 2 ounces to the top on the large side. And you'll notice below that is a line for 1.5 ounces. The small side is 1 ounce to the top, and then 3/4 of an ounce and 1/2 ounce on the lines below. We're gonna be using the large side, and we're gonna fill it all the way to the top for one old fashioned. So we're gonna do 2 full ounces. And we're gonna pour it right over the top of our ice.
Lovely.
Once you've got it on top, you're gonna give it a nice stir with your bar spoon that we've
Your
included.
brand new bar spoon. And you'll wanna do about 30 rotations or until you noticeably see the chill coming up the side of your glass.
Really what we're doing when we're stirring a cocktail is we're trying to chill it, and we're also trying to dilute it. We're trying to melt that ice a little bit to make the whiskey soft enough, make it palatable enough so that it's not too harsh when you go in for a sip. And we're also combining the bitters and the sugar together. And you can feel it with the back of your fingers, your hand, and when you feel that it's getting pretty cold, you know you're probably done.
That should be about it.
That's about it right there. All right.
For the grand finale.
For the grand finale, we're gonna take one more peel of orange, and there are 2 ways you can do this. We wanna express the orange zest over the top of the cocktail, and you can do this by holding it over the cocktail like this and giving it a nice brisk squeeze, and then wiping the rim of the cocktail and dropping the orange peel in. A second bonus you can do is taking a peel of orange the same way, and if you've got your lighter handy that we included in your kit, you're gonna hold it vertically in between your fingers, and we're gonna hold a flame right next to the peel. Give it a nice squeeze over the top of the glass, and all of the natural alcohols that occur inside the orange skin are gonna ignite and unfurl over the top of the cocktail. We're gonna do the same thing, wipe the rim of the glass with the skin side and drop it in.
And it gives it this beautiful aroma, and you will be so ready for that first sip.
It's delicious aroma, it fills up the whole kitchen.
And you will also find we have included some Luxardo cherries, the best cherry on the market. So if you prefer to do a cherry garnish, feel free to do that now. We have cocktail picks for you, Luxardo cherries. Grab 1, grab 2, and you will be ready to sip in no time.
There we are, right on top of the cocktail.
And there is your perfect old-fashioned to enjoy in your brand new kitchen.
Yeah, cheers and congratulations. Welcome to your new home.
Yes, cheers.